My name is Megan and I'm a registered dietitian here to talk to you today about inflammation. This has been a hot topic lately and it can be a bit confusing, but I'm here to help you break it down. So what is inflammation? Inflammation is your body's natural response to protect itself from harm. Your body sends white blood cells to the injured area, causing redness and swelling. A small amount of inflammation is actually good as it signals removal of pathogens from the area and repair cells to come in. But long-term, chronic inflammation can lead to adverse health effects. What many people don't know is that nutrition actually plays a very important part in inflammation, as there are certain foods that can increase and certain foods that can decrease its presence. So what foods promote inflammation? So many foods like refined grains, added sugars, saturated and trans fats can actually promote inflammation. And the modern diet contains these foods, which leads to chronic low-grade inflammation in many individuals. Now, there are also foods that can help combat this inflammation. These foods have been mentioned many times on these videos as they're part of a general healthy diet. These foods combat inflammation by decreasing the response of the inflammatory pathways. These foods include omega-3 fatty acids found in things like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, fermented foods in things like tempeh, yogurt, and kefir, and antioxidants found in many fruits and vegetables. When working with individuals to try and incorporate these foods into their diet, there are a few things that I like to recommend. First is trying to vary the different colors of your fruits and vegetables throughout the week, as colors can often be associated with the different nutrients in the food. For example, in spinach, there's a lot of vitamin E. In things like oranges, there's a lot of vitamin C. And in your orange fruits and vegetables, like sweet potatoes, there's a lot of vitamin A. And then when it comes to your proteins, trying to aim for 8 ounces of any fish through the week, like salmon or tuna. When it comes to your poultries and your meats, removing excess skin and fat. And then when choosing your carbohydrates from your grains and starches, trying to look for whole grain as the first ingredient. Additionally, if you're looking for a boost of antioxidants in times of increased inflammations, for example, after a hard workout or maybe a surgery, there are a few powerful antioxidants that you can add into your daily routine. Things like tart cherry juice is a very powerful antioxidant. Spices like turmeric or ginger are also very powerful spices that you can add to any of the foods that you eat. Now you may be wondering, how can I incorporate these foods into my diet? Well, let's make a smoothie that you can take after your workout or maybe after your physical therapy session to decrease some inflammation. First, we're going to add some mixed berries. Any berries will work. Again, the more color that you have, the more antioxidants. Then, some chia seeds. So chia seeds are rich in those omega-3 fats that help decrease inflammation. After that, we'll add some ice just to make it thick. And this is a good place to add tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice can be a little tart because of the name, but mixing it with the sweet berries can really help decrease that tartness. And last, to make it all smooth, some water. Additionally, you could add some yogurt for some added protein as well, and that contains some good fermented antioxidants and probiotics as well. Making even a few small changes to try to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet and decreasing your intake of pro-inflammatory foods from your diet can help aid in recovery and reducing inflammation. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow us on YouTube and Facebook for more like it. Please also feel free to submit requests for any other videos you would like to see on nutrition topics to contact us at orthopedic1.com.